Hello everyone, Corey Parks here again with you to show you a quick difference between a plumbing leak versus water intrusion. This is something we run across a lot that is hard for homeowners as well as other contractors to differentiate when there's water problems going on in a crawl space or basement, whether it's coming from a plumbing leak or whether it's coming from water outside. If you're in a basement, probably a little bit easier, but crawl spaces present some more challenges. Here's a prime example, although a small one. They got a small plumbing leak, just a slow drip, and I can see the drip right here. If we can zoom in, you can barely see it. Slow drip, and we can see that water here, and it's probably hard to tell from the video, but this water is actually pretty clear. And that is a sign that when the water's clear, that it is coming from a plumbing leak. When water has mud mixed in with it, and although there's no water, we can see signs of water being there. You can see over in front of me that there's dirt all on the plastic, which tells me that that water has brought that dirt there, and that water and dirt is coming from the exterior of the home, what we call water intrusion. So just a quick video to show you the difference. Hopefully this helps. We run into this quite often where homeowners think, oh, that water's just down there because I had a little small plumbing leak, but the evidence of the amount of water that's in this crawl space versus this little tiny leak just don't add up. Hopefully this helps. If you want to see more of these, click the subscribe button down below. Y'all have a good day.